The Nasdaq will undoubtedly go higher during the Nasdaq's upcoming lunar cycle, which will last from May 13th to June 9th. This video is being made for entertainment purposes only. If you decide to invest in the stock market, please consult an investment advisor. So as you can see, this is the Nasdaq's upcoming lunar cycle. We always want to start with Vader. You can see it up here in the 10th house. What's important right here is that Vader is squaring Jupiter from the 12th house in Taurus. This is very big, very important. This is why the Nasdaq will be going up during this period. We could also look at the aspects to Vader. We can see that Vader is making a 15-degree aspect to Saturn. This is typically difficult, but Saturn is in its home. Therefore, it's not going to be as bad as it normally would be. Also, Vader is making a 30-degree aspect to Pluto in the 8th house. This is tough, this is difficult, but with all the other positive aspects in this chart, it will do little to change things. We want to look at the sign and house that Vader's in. It's in Pisces in the 10th house. Pisces is ruled by Neptune. Neptune in this chart is making a sextile to Jupiter. Very strong, very positive aspect. Also, Neptune is making a trine to the moon. Again, very strong aspect, very good, very positive for this period. We also want to look at Saturn because it's the ruler of the 10th house. Saturn is making a trine to this planet Campania that I've talked about a lot. Saturn is also making a sextile to Venus. This is all positive. It's all very good, harmonious. It's showing us that the Nasdaq is going to go higher during this cycle. Next, we want to look at the 8th house cusp, the house of Scorpio and Vader. This house cusp will always tell us a story about what's going to happen during this cycle. And fortunately, Venus is making a trine to this house cusp. Also, Jupiter is making the 135-degree aspect to this cusp as well. All very positive, all very good. And lastly, we would always want to look at the ruler of the 8th house, and you can see Capricorn on this cusp. We would want to look at Saturn. Saturn, as we've already talked about, is making some very good aspects in this chart. The one we missed was Saturn is making a 45-degree aspect, the semi-square, to Pluto in the 8th house. This is difficult, but the positive greatly outweighs the difficult. For this reason, the Nasdaq should go up 5 to 10% from the beginning of this period till the end. So thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.